welcome back to STEM to Inspire's online learning. So today we'll be doing the black pepper and soap lab, where we will be investigating the properties of water, specifically surface tension. So the first topic we're going to want to go over is water and what makes it act the way it does. We call these the properties of water, and these include polarity, cohesion, adhesion, surface tension, and high specific heat capacity. But what we're really going to focus on today is surface tension. This is defined as the property of a liquid surface acting as if it were a stretched elastic membrane. And in simpler terms, if you take a cup of water, for example, the water molecules below the surface or the top are pulled together equally in all directions, but the molecules at the surface are pulled together tighter and they form a type of skin that we call surface tension. So the next topic that we're going to cover is soap. So as I'm sure you already know, soaps are substances that when dissolved in water possess the ability to remove dirt from surfaces like skin, clothes, and other solids. So soap molecules have two different ends that allow them to break surface tension. One end is hydrophobic, which means it hates water, while the other end is hydrophilic, which means it loves water. When moving away from water molecules, the hydrophobic ends of soap molecules rise to the top and start to weaken the hydrogen bonds and the surface tension, while the hydrophilic side latches onto the water, suspending dirt and washing it away. This is essentially how washing your hands works. Both sides of the soap molecules work together with the water molecules to break down dirt and wash it away. Now getting into the actual lab, these are the materials you will be needing: a shallow bowl or pie tin, water, black pepper, and dish soap. So here's the experiment. You can pause here or follow along with me if you'd like. The first thing you're going to want to do is fill the container with about an inch of water. Then you're going to sprinkle pepper evenly across the surface and try to make sure the flakes are floating. Next, you're going to squeeze a little bit of soap onto your finger. Then place your soapy finger into the middle of the container and watch as the pepper flakes go away. There are a few topics to understand to figure out why this works. The first thing we need to understand is that pepper is hydrophobic, which means it doesn't like water and the water is not attracted to it, so it can't be dissolved by water like salt. It's also so light that the surface tension allows it to float. Now we need to understand that the soap can break down the surface tension of water, which we've discussed earlier. As the soap moves closer to the water when your finger approaches the water, the surface tension changes and the pepper doesn't want to float on the top anymore. The water molecules want to maintain and keep the surface tension going, so they pull away from the soap and drag the pepper flakes with it. This is why soap is so powerful and important in washing your hands. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.